Two deer walk out of a gay bar. One turns to the other and says, "I can't believe I blew $20 in there." The other deer replies, "That's a lot of dough."
Nice.
How do you fit an elephant in a refrigerator? Open the door and put it inside. How do you fit a giraffe in a refrigerator? Open the door, take the elephant out, and put the giraffe inside. A lion is holding a meeting in the jungle, and all the animals have to go. When the meeting starts, one animal isn't there. Which one? The giraffe. He's in the refrigerator. You come across a crocodile-infested river in the jungle and have absolutely no way to cross it. There are no vines or bridges nearby. How do you cross it? You swim, as the crocodiles are at the meeting.